Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to discuss a topic that's essential for anyone diving into the world of digital marketing, Facebook ads. Specifically, we'll be highlighting the 5 common mistakes beginners often make when using Facebook ads. But don't worry, by the end of this video you'll have the knowledge to avoid these pitfalls and run successful ad campaigns. So let's jump right into it. Mistake number 1: targeting too broadly. One of the most frequent mistakes beginners make is casting too wide a net with their ad targeting. Facebook offers a plethora of targeting options from demographics to interests, behaviors, and more. It's tempting to go for a broad audience to reach as many people as possible, but this can lead to wasted ad spend. It may be acceptable to go broad when running top of the funnel ads, but not when running bottom of funnel ads. Too broad an audience leads to number 1, lack of direction, number 2, wastage of your budget, number 3, letting AI do all the work. The solution is simple. Instead, narrow down your audience based on your product or service's ideal customer. Use Facebook's detailed targeting options to focus on people most likely to be interested in what you offer. This way, you'll get more bang for your buck and higher conversion rates. Mistake number 2: neglecting A/B testing. Another mistake beginners often make is not conducting A/B tests. A/B testing involves creating multiple versions of your ad to see which one performs best. Without A/B testing, you won't know what elements resonate with your audience and what needs improvement. The solution again is simple. To overcome this mistake, always set up A/B tests for your Facebook ads. Here are a few key aspects to consider when conducting A/B tests. Number 1 is ad copy. Test different ad copy variations to see which language, tone, or message resonates most with your audience. You might be surprised at how small changes can make a big difference in engagement and conversions. Number 2, images or videos. Visual elements play a huge role in Facebook ads. Experiment with different images or videos to see which ones captures your audience's attention and drive the most clicks. Number 3, headlines and descriptions. The text you use in your ad headlines and descriptions can greatly impact ad performance. Test variations to find out what wording encourages users to take action. Number 4 is audience segmentation. Don't limit your A/B testing to just ad creatives. Experiment with different audience segments as well. Discover which demographics, interests, or behaviors respond best to your ads. Number 5, ad formats. Facebook offers various ad formats like carousel ads, slideshow ads, and more. Test different formats to see which one suits your campaign objectives and audience preferences. Remember, A/B testing is an ongoing process. Continuously monitor your ad performance and make data-driven adjustments based on the results. Over time, this iterative approach will help you refine your Facebook ad strategy for optimal results. Mistake number 3, ignoring ad placements. Some beginners underestimate the importance of ad placement. Facebook offers various ad placements including the Facebook feed, Instagram, Messenger, and more. Failing to consider where your ads appear can impact their effectiveness. The solution: take the time to review your ad placements carefully. Choose the platforms that align with your target audience's preferences and your campaign objectives. This will help you reach your audience where they are most active. Mistake number 4, neglecting mobile optimization. With the majority of Facebook users accessing the platform on mobile devices, it's crucial to optimize your ads for mobile. Beginners often overlook this, leading to poor user experiences on smaller screens. The solution: always ensure your ad creatives, landing pages, and websites are mobile friendly. Test your ads on different devices to make sure they look and perform well on smartphones and tablets. Lastly, beginners often set unrealistic expectations for their Facebook ad campaigns. They expect immediate results and may get discouraged if they don't see instant success. Let's delve deeper into this issue because it's essential to have a realistic perspective when it comes to Facebook ads. To overcome this mistake, it's crucial to understand that Facebook ad campaigns are not magic bullets that deliver instant results. Here's how to manage your expectations effectively. Number 1, set clear objectives. Define specific, measurable, and achievable goals for your campaigns, whether it's increasing website traffic, generating leads, or driving sales. Having clear objectives will help you track progress accurately. Number 2, budget wisely. Allocate a reasonable budget based on your campaign goals and industry benchmarks, understanding that higher budgets may lead to fast results, but don't expect miracles with a limited budget. Monitor and optimize. Be patient but not passive. Regularly monitor your campaign's performance and make data-driven optimizations. Small tweaks can lead to significant improvements over time. Number 4, consider the customer journey. Understand that the customer journey often involves multiple touch points before a conversion. Don't judge the success of your ads solely based on immediate conversions. Consider how they contribute to the overall sales funnel. Number 5, learn from failures. It's okay to have campaigns that don't perform as expected. Instead of getting discouraged, view them as opportunities to learn. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and apply those lessons to future campaigns. By managing your expectations and taking a strategic data-driven approach, you'll be better equipped to navigate the world of Facebook ads with confidence and achieve long-term success. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are successful advertising campaigns on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on digital marketing and social media advertising. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with Facebook ads, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.